Hello, and welcome to this lesson on Chopin's Prelude, Opus 28, number 3 by Liberty Park Music. Okay, so although the left hand seems a little intimidating because of the speed, this might actually be the easiest prelude to learn in terms of the notes being played, and in terms of memorizing. I would say this is a prelude that you can memorize very, very quickly and very securely. Okay, you just have to realize what's going on, and this is what's going on. Okay, so this is step one. Step one is realizing the pattern in the left hand. Okay, now this is it. You start on a note. Okay, in this case we'll start on the note that's there, G. Okay, then what he does is he goes to the fifth, to the root, an octave up. Then he goes to 2, 3, and then 2, 1. So it's root, fifth, root, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now from here he goes up to the 6. Okay, the 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the root, and he goes down back to the 1 just in the scale. Okay, then 2, 3 again, and then 5, and then that's it. Okay, now he does it in A. He does it on the 5 of G. And he does it back at A. Now, although we're going to the 2, and the 2 is minor, in this case he makes it major. And because it's sort of like the 5 of the 5, right? Because this is the dominant of G, and this is the dominant of the 5 of G, right? So theoretically what's going on is he's just going 1 to the major 2 to the 5, to major 2 to the 5, to the 5, to the 1. Very nice, right? So just remember, root, fifth, root, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1. Now you want to practice like this. Practice saying it fast, you know. Root, fifth, root, 2, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1. You know, you can even sing it and try to hear it in your head. And then Now in the case of the 5, when we go to the 5, he doesn't go to the, instead he goes to the 2 of A to help us lead back. Because rather than then going, you know, he has this little, just sort of like a whole step down. But when he's ready to go back to the tonic, then he goes to the original. Okay? He does this in C, and there's a couple little spots where there's literally one note he changes. And this is really it. Once you recognize this pattern, you actually know the whole left hand. Except for the second page, third line, third measure, he changes it just for this one measure, and it's pretty much, it's just creating a suspension on the 5, you know. Okay? So don't overthink that too much. It's literally just one measure that you have to kind of remember, okay? And then, of course, the very ending, but we'll talk about that, okay? So this is step 1. Recognize this pattern, memorize this pattern, practice this pattern in other notes. He does it in C, and that's it. So it's G, A, C, okay? And this is it in the 5th. So first, second, fourth, fifth. You can take this around in other keys. Okay, so this is step 1.